होर्णा औद्योगिक वसाहतीत गेले 3 वर्सां सावन बंद आशिल्ले गाल कंपनीच्या जागेत आता देशाच्या महत्वाच्या अशा संरक्षण विभागा खातीर आशिल्ले हेलिकॉप्टर दुरुस्ती तशेंच हेर सुटे भाग तयार करपी कंपनीचो संरक्षण मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांचे हस्तुकी शुभारंभ जालो। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर वाळपयच्यान दिनेश करपे।
It's a new initiative in India itself. It's a joint venture between Safran and Hindustan Aeronautics, where MRO is being set up for helicopter engines. From there it will slowly expand to make some parts, make some components, and we wish we can go for a full engine manufacturing. एक तो अभी इसकी व्यवस्था हो गई आजू बाजू के जो इंजन यूज़ करते हैं नेवी की, और जो बम्बे मतलब विद इन दिस वेस्टर्न रीजन एटलीस्ट इंजन कुड बी डायरेक्टली सेंड हियर सो दैट दे डोंट हैव टू स्ट्रगल एट द बेस डेपो। दिस इज डेफिनेटली एन फर्स्ट ईयर, लेकिन सेकेंड राउंड में उससे भी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा। Depth will be still more.
Something about please.
I said that there is what is called as offset. Offset means the company, Rafael, has to procure 50% of the value of total deal. There is around 60 to 59,000 is a deal. So about around 30,000 is a procurement, mostly procurement. 75% is procurement. There is some investment and some other factors. So that procurement has to be done from India. So NECMA, which is also a part of Safran Group, they are almost 20-25% supplier to Rafael. So I told them that why don't you come with a small component of your requirement of importing from India into Goa.
Reputed companies जर हांगा येवंक जाय जाल्यार त्या कंपनींचो दोन गोष्टींचेर विश्वास आसचो पडटा। एक शासनाचेर, म्हणजे हांगा असलेले शासन हे आमकां बुड्डवचें ना, आणि दुसरो कामगार वर्गाच्या इंटग्रिटीचेरय हांव शासनाच्या वतीन हांव शाश्वती दिता की शासनाचो उपद्रव अशा नवीन जे इन्व्हेस्टर्स येतात तांकां जावचो ना हेची हांव काळजी घेता।
It is not by choice that I have to select a place in Goa to do this business, but it becomes a natural choice for HAL, having operating the Cheetah Chetas from the Naval Operation Base. We support the Dornier aircraft for the Coast Guard, for the Navy, for the Air Force. So since 2 or 3 decades, our presence has been here in Goa, and obviously it became a natural choice when an opportunity was given to establish an MRO. This is just a starting, and there is no limit for business opportunities. It is the only way. We have to build our capability, and the business is opening up at every corner.